Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is something a little different today. So I've been wanting to try either hard gel or polygel for a long time now, but I've just been a little bit not scared, but I didn't know what to buy, and I just could imagine struggling with gel. But some really kind lady sent me some on Instagram. I think her name's Ingrid. On Instagram, she was so kind. She was like, "Do you want to try Missu? Is it Missu? I feel like I'm saying it wrong. Like, oh, I miss you." But anyway, yeah. So she kindly gifted me these, and so did the company themselves. They sent me a few gel polishes to try. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and try these on my nails, and then I'll let you know all how they get on in the next few weeks. So what I'm using is the 4D gel. So I'm guessing it's like a polygel. I've been seeing polygels around for some time now. So yeah, I guess it's just like that. So what I did is I picked a little bit up with my cuticle pusher and then just placed it on the nail. It literally didn't move at all until I moved it. So on the website it's described as a gel that is it moves like acrylic, which yeah, I do get, but because I work with acrylic, I feel like it's a little bit, I don't know, because this was my first go using it. I can't say it's difficult to work with because that's stupid. Like, you've got to get used. I found acrylic difficult to work with at first. So what I do is, yeah, just place it on the nail, pick up quite a nice size bead and just place it on the nail like so, and then I'm just dipping into some like alcohol. I think I just had Prep Spray Plus and like 100% alcohol, and I was just dipping into that. I'm using my CJP size 2 brush. I don't think this was the best brush to use. I think a gel brush would obviously be perfect. So like a nice flat brush that's thin at the tip, so you get right into the cuticle area. So yeah, I'm just placing it on there and just kind of patting it into place, really making sure the brush is quite wet. I found it I really enjoyed working with it. I really did. I thought I wouldn't, but I really did. I'm just kind of like patting it into place and just flipping my hand round and making sure that my apex is there in place. That was kind of a bit of a struggle, but I think, yeah, it's just practice, really, isn't it? It really is just practice. And I forget about the heat spike. I know you're meant to go into your lamp and then come out and go in and come out and go in, and then that will stop the heat spike, but I just left it in there because yeah, a little bit hardcore and but it was a stinger, I ain't gonna lie. My poor little finger. I was trying to cut all because my cuticles are so bad. I've never even because I never do my nails, I've never really realised. And I was just going to absolute town and just nipped a little bit too much off. So that's why it's a little bit sore. So yeah, I'll just let you watch me do this. So I obviously have sped these parts up because I was just faffing around and it was going to be, you know, a 30-minute long video, which we don't want. So once I'd cured them all, I then come in with some, what did I use? Acetone, and just remove the sticky layer. And that's them freshly done. So now I'm going to come in with my hand file and just perfect the shape. It was an absolute dream to file. Honestly, like butter. It really was nice. I was coming away from the microphone then. It really was such a lovely acrylic to file, I was going to say. It was so lovely to file. It really was so like butter. I didn't hardly have to put any effort into it, which is always great. I'm using this file. I don't know where I got it from. It was new in the packet, but bloody hell, it was cutting me. So I'm never going to use them again. I don't know where I got them from. There's no name on them. So yeah, I'm just going to file them into shape, and then I'm going to come in with my e-file and I'll just whiz over the surface with that. Again, such a dream to file. I loved it. I loved the tiny, because acrylic, it's the file, you know, the files, the dust, whatever, is much more, a little bit more thicker. This is much finer, and I really liked it. I don't know why. I kept filing and filing. I was like, I need to stop, but I was just enjoying it too much. So then I spray them with my sanitizing spray. I give them a scrub to remove all the dust. See my little thumb? I caught my thumb. Like, the file was so thin that it just caught me. Didn't hurt, doesn't hurt. It doesn't even hurt now, but never use them again. I never cut my clients, ever cut my clients. And I cut me. At least it was me, so that's fine. So now I'm coming in straight in with gel polish. Someone's commented on my post saying, do you know how many times you say come in? I'm coming in. So yeah, I apologise if I say I'm coming in with too many times. So I'm gonna what do I say? I'm gonna now paint my nails with gel. No, I'm gonna come in. So I'm gonna come in with some gel polish, and I'm using Ballroom, obviously from Missu, number 4. It's like a sparkly holographic black. You know how much I love holographic, and it's black because it's nearly Halloween, and you never know, these might last till Halloween, which I probably doubt. They'll be well grown out by then. So I'm just applying a nice thin coat of that over all the nails and curing in my lamp for 30 seconds. It just took 30 seconds, which is always great, especially a dark colour. Does anyone else do this? Put your 4 fingers in and then rest your thumb on the side and then paint that. And then slip it in. Oh. So yeah, I'm just going to cure those. I'm going to do a second coat and again cure for 60 seconds. I feel really sorry for my cuticles. Like, why are they like that? Like, I can't, do you see what I mean? They're all gritty and bitty and oh well, at least it's my nails. I don't even bite my nails. Maybe because I just don't look after them. I'm a nail technician and I don't look after my nails. Sorry. So yeah, here I'm just doing my second coat. Am I really rambling on today? Because I apologise, I'll stop now. So then I'm coming in with the same brand, so Missu, their top coat, and just applying a nice thin layer of that over all the nails. Curing in my lamp for a full 60 seconds this time. I then apply some cuticle oil and that is the set complete. I really love how they look, how they've turned out, how they feel. I've got them nice and short OVs. But I'll keep you all updated. They still feel mega strong even now. I've had them on for a day. I know that's nothing, but they still feel mega strong. And I'll let you know how they get on. But it was a pleasure to finally do gel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.